Why is this not coming out? The hell? This one screw isn't coming out, and it's stopping me from taking out this expansion slot. It's broken. The screw is broken. That sucks. How does this happen? Why can't I screw it out? Great. NZXT, I've never in my entire life seen this happen to a screw. Where it just turns and turns and turns and I can't get it out. So, because of that, I am unable to get this expansion slot out. I'll have to, bend it out, or you're kidding. You're literally kidding. This might not be your fault, NZXT, but I don't care, because I've never seen this happen ever. I literally cannot get it out. Probably some easy fix for this, but it's stuck. The stupidest freaking thing I've ever seen. Hands bleeding. What? Just screw won't come out. I'll just drill it. Where's the drill? What the I've never seen this happen. How low quality do your screws have to be to do that? It's stuck. And drilling it and using pliers is just going to break this crappy metal on the back of the case more than it's going to break the screw. What the NZXT? It's unusable. The entire case is unusable because of this. And I don't want to just move. Yeah, the second slot down is an 8X slot. So I can't even use the card in there. But I'm saying I should just go return the case. There's like a 3-hour wait to get into Micro Center, not to mention the lines inside because of what's going on right now. This is literally the stupidest thing that has ever happened. And I'm using literally correct because it's true. As of now, this is the stupidest thing I've ever had to deal with while building a PC. One screw that's just trash. Because, of course, two problems here. First of all, the screws on the back of the case, the threading is crap or something, because I guess the top of the threading sheared off when they were installing it, but only the top, or the hole around it is just small, big enough that it can rotate freely, but small enough that it can't unscrew. And these screws are so annoying that I've just taken a Dremel to it, and I still can't get it to break safely. And I'm doing more damage to the case than the screw. If you're going to use crap screws, use crap screws. But make sure they break when I need them to. Got it. Hopefully so. Oh my god, this is the moment of truth. Does the case still function like a case?